Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode number 11, and let me show you what I used and then I'll show you what I made. So first I used the specialty paper. It is colored burlap by American Crafts. I used it in pink. I also used my Infinity Rectangles by Hero Arts. I used my Infinity Circles by Hero Arts. I used this background stamp that is diamonds, and I'm not sure who it's by. It was actually given to me, so I am not sure, but it looks like that. I also used some, where is it? Put it away. Here it is. I used some fine detailed clear embossing powder by Simon Says Stamp. I used the CC Designs rubber stamps that are called for the nurses. I used these La La Land January 2019 Speedy Recovery dies, and I used this one with the heartbeat. I used this Spellbinders embossing folder called, what is it called? Grid. I used this Nurse Tilda. And then I just used different colored cardstocks. And the reason why I made this is Nurses Week, and my sister was a nurse, and I actually made it for her, and I used Copics to color, and this is what I came up with. And this is what I did on the inside. And it says, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. And my sister actually has this tattoo on her. So that's what I came up with. So for my next project, I used the Rectangle Infinity dies by Hero Arts. I use the My Creative Time dies called Pretty Scallop Circle dies. I use this Cuttlebug Provo Craft embossing folder that are flowers. I am not sure of the name of it, guys. I think I got it when I had a Cuttlebug and it came with it. Then I used the Lawn Fawn Spring Fling paper pad in both the floral pink and the polka dotted pink. And then I used this Stamping Bella Stuffies. Stuffy. So funny. And this is what I came up with. Just colored it up with my Copics. And that's the inside. And this is going to BFF Tina Bean. She still has COVID, guys. So those are the 2 cards I made this week. I hope you liked them. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.